Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three.
Today we're going to bring a solar camera. This is a great security camera for your outdoors, indoors. It's mostly made for outdoors because it does come with a solar panel. It's great for any kind of weather, snow, rain, or shine. Now this has a movement of almost a 360, but it kind of collapses right here. There's two ways of mounting the actual joints. You could either, I've seen people put double-sided tape on these, but it's best to mount it because it does have its weight. This is a solar panel actually mount to. They give you instructions and where to download the application to install it on your phone, right? If you're going to install this, make sure you have a good directional view of the sun because it needs to get charged through the day so it could work at night. Now, there's a couple of options that you have in the actual application. There's an AI feature. There's a zone feature. We're going to take a look at a couple of things. So we are going to use an Apple phone to set this up. And included with this, the screws, along with the whole system. Also, if you want to connect directly, if you want to charge it first, you can do that. One important thing is that they do have a cloud service, but if you have a memory card, an SD, a micro SD card, you could set it up in here. Normally put 128 gigs and this will last you for a couple weeks, depending on the movement, depending on the actual zone that you have it on. Add a camera. Once you install the application, you do have to register your phone, your name and number. And if you want to buy their services, that's an additional cost. So right now we have a couple services here, your devices, your cloud, and online support.
It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
So we just finished concluding actually installing the camera into our Wi-Fi. So with this machine, you could do two-way voice. Okay. Sir, can I help you, sir? Sir, can I help you outside? Are you okay, sir? Do you need any professional help? With this one, you could do two-way voice, like I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, testing, testing.
You see it? It's working. Testing one, two, three. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing. So we're checking this motion sensor, camera, the follows you around. 1, 2, 3. Working. Testing 3.